মই গীতাশ্ৰী, নমস্কাৰ। মই
Namaskar.
কেলকাৰী, কেনেডা। আমি সন্মুখাসন্মুখীকে পোৱা নাই কেতিয়াও, though we are in Facebook connecting
I
each
know
other.
all about you.
But আজি আমি লগ পাই ভাল লাগিছে আৰু কৌশিক জনক are very, I always talk about them very much, বহুত বৰ ভাল ল'ৰা দুইটাই মানে ইমান ভাল লাগে
Thank you
মানে
so much.
Yeah. So, মই অকমান introduction-টো দি দিওঁ নেকি?
দি দিয়া দিলবা
All right.
আৰু এয়া নিয়াৰৰ দেউতাক আছে ইয়াতে
Namaskar.
সেইটো আছে
All right. So, yeah. প্ৰথমতে মোৰ মাতটো ভালকে শুনিছানে চবে?
শুনিছো
All right. Well, Dolly Dattapura Senapati is, she's a speech therapist, and she graduated from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing in Mysore, and she worked in Guwahati Medical College, and she as a speech and audiologist there. And her prime focus was on training parents and other professionals so they can carry on like educate their children. And so I was thinking, the other thing that I wanted to tell you, that she is the first speech and hearing therapist in the whole northeast India. So that's something that I just wanted to let you know, and we are so honored to have her in our our session today. And why we have her in our class is because many of you probably don't know, she's my sister actually. And one day I was just thinking that while I was teaching the Ahomia letters, and I could see where the kids who were born and brought up here, they had a problem understanding the how to say the words, the letters, like ba, ba, va, ma, so I was just thinking, I have seen my sister helping her clients and using the vocal cords, how to say the letters. And I thought it'll be wonderful if she could come to our class and help, and just give us some understanding. And she right away said yes. And then I talked to Gita. She said, oh, that's a great idea. That's why she is here. And I don't want to take too much time. I just want her to get to know you all, and let's see, what we can learn from her. All right? That's basically what I wanted to say. Is that so what else? Oh yeah, she is teaching. She taught in Manipal. Bulbul, correct me if I'm wrong. You worked in Manipal Hospital in Bangalore.
It's a specialty hospital for cochlear implant rehab.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
She worked there, and now during COVID time, she is doing she's teaching also, or she's helping children all over. She's doing through Zoom sessions currently. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now that's so sweet of you. Thank you, Geeta Sri and Dil, for having me, and lovely people all around. I just want to be of some assistance to you, and I want to know what are the difficulties that you have right now. Parents can also tell me what is the main difficulty that your children are facing. Is it with the pronunciation of particular words or what? So I will start my session, and you can interrupt me anytime and ask me questions. Okay? I don't want to bore you because there are little children here also. But if you feel that I'm going astray, please get me back onto the line. Okay? And now the main thing is.